In this video we're going to be adding and subtracting surds. The first type we're going to look at is where you do not need to simplify the surds before you can add them. The second type is where you will need to simplify the surds before adding them. So let's look at these examples. For A we've got 3 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Now we treat this like we would treat any sort of algebra. So if we imagine that this was 3x plus 4x, then that would give us 7x. So this is just exactly the same. We've got 3 root 3 plus 4 root 3, which is just 7 root 3. Let's look at B. Same idea. So 12 root 10 minus 11 root 10. That's just going to leave us with 1 root 10, which we just write as root 10. And then the final example, one that throws a lot of students sometimes, 6 root 5 minus root 5. Lots of people might give an answer of 6 here, but what we're actually doing is 6 root 5 minus 1 root 5, which leaves us with 5 root 5, because we had 6 lots of root 5 here. We're taking away 1 lot of root 5, which leaves us with 5 root 5. Okay, now let's move on to the second type where there is simplification needed. In this first one here we've got root 8 plus root 2, and they are different surds. So we need to simplify so that we have the same surd. So this 8 can be simplified to be 4 times 2, and that square root of 4 will be 2 root 2 plus root 2, which is going to end up being 3 root 2, because 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is 3 root 2. Looking at part B, we've got root 75 minus root 12. There isn't a factor of 12 isn't a factor of 75, so we're going to have to simplify both of these surds. 75 is 25 times 3, and 12 is 4 times 3. So the common surd that we're going to have is this 3 here, and both of these are square numbers which we can simplify. So this is 5 root 3, and root 4 is 2 times root 3, which gives us an answer of 3 root 2. Sorry, root 3. Because 5 minus 2 is 3, so 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3 leaves us with 3 root 3. And then the final one, 7 root 40 minus 4 root 90. Again, we've got to find factors here. It looks like this one's going to be 7 times 4 times 10 minus 4 root 9 times 10. So the 10 is going to be the common surd, and this leaves us with 7 times 2 root 10 minus 4 times 3 root 10. And so now we're going to multiply these numbers together. So we'll have here 14 root 10 minus 12 root 10, which leaves us finally with 2 root 10.